Hello friends, today we are making mutter paneer. So it's a very simple recipe but yet very tasty. You will love it. So ingredients are onion, I finely chopped them, and green peas, green chili, and this is ginger and garlic. We need curd. I use the Greek yogurt, but you can use normal yogurt too. Salt. For the masalas we need, this is coriander powder, this is the spicy red chili, so I've taken a little bit. This is the degi mirch red chili, just the color, the bedgi mirch, sorry, it's just the color, the paprika. Then this is shahi garam masala, this is jeera. Then here we have cinnamon stick, here we have cardamom, the black cardamom, the bigger one. Here we have some black peppercorns, bay leaf, and some green cardamom. We need oil and we need paneer. So let's get started. In a pan, I'm going to add in some oil. You can add in butter too if you like, but I just added oil. And we'll add in the dry spices, the cinnamon, the cardamom, the peppercorn, the green cardamom, some more peppercorn, and the bay leaf. And we'll add in jeera too on the side. The oil is nice and hot now. Now here we are going to add in the onion and the green chili. Yeah, there is a lot of onion to it because the gravy will be made with onion and yogurt. That's right. So now I'm going to cook the onion until it's nice and so here the onions are cooking. I'm going and adding some salt. So the onion can get cooked earlier. Sooner. So my onion looks almost half done. Not half, 3/4 done. Now I'm going to add the ginger and garlic crush and going to mix it. So when you add ginger and garlic, please keep mixing because the garlic might burn. Garlic looks done, so I'm going to add in all the spices and the yogurt at this point, so the spices don't get burned, and mix it. Now I'm going to add in some water because the gravy looks too dry. Mix it again. The gravy is not going to be too watery, it's going to be dry only, but just to get it cooked nicely. Green peas. And now I'm going to add in the paneer. No, first let me add in the salt because I added only little salt while cooking. So here I'm going to add in some salt. Mix it well. Now add in the paneer. And your mutter paneer is almost done. Not yet ready now.
Why?
We need to add kasuri methi and some coriander, cilantro. So here I'll add in the kasuri methi. And some chopped coriander or Excellent. Now you can enjoy this with roti, naan, kulcha, or as is with rice, jeera rice, plain rice, pulao. It tastes amazing. Hope you like it. Do let me know how did it turn out.
And remember to hit the bell button.
Thank you, Nia. Yes, please remember to hit the bell button and please do subscribe if you like the video and
if
share
you-
with your friends.
And if you like the recipe, share it with your kids, sons, daughters,
My son is going to.
and your friends.
He meant that you can make this recipe and try it with your family and friends. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye.